Hey guys, it's MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a Bootup test speed comparison whatever I got of the Note 8 versus S5. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Come on. Okay. So they're both on. Ooh. This is quite old by the way, very old phone. This came out before my Note 4, which is about 3 to 4 years old. Oh, that's loading up quite quick, you know. But he has a 3 screen. Okay, Note 8's here. And S5 very slow. Bloody hell, is still loading, guys. Okay. I might do another comparison of all three. Bloody hell, man. I might do another comparison of all three. Note 8, Note 4 on this phone. Come on. I'll try to get the Note 3 as well. I have a Note 3, so I might as well do time. But yeah, that is a very old phone. But yeah, I'll try to get a Note 5 as well. Just for this. Note 7 is going to be hard to get. Well, Note FE or whatever you can call it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.